Hello there guys, it's Joey and this is the third flower Fae Nature altar, and this one is a Bewitchment. So if you haven't seen the other video, the idea behind these beautiful little flower Fae focal points came from initially one of my poems, which goes like this. In the realm of Arwinia, who rules all the Fae, the spirits of nature and flower can play. Magic is flowing from inside the earth. The Fae Queen is laughing in wisdom and mirth. So, Bewitchment, again, captures the energy of the essence of magic. That's kind of where these flower, Fae, Deva, nature energies spring from, the essence of particular forms of magic. And they are very much about honouring nature Devas as well as the Fae energies within nature. And Bewitchment is when the senses are aroused a little bit. A shift in perception. The Fae and the nature Deva have a different way of looking at time, at energy, at life. And I really wanted to eke that into this particular Fae flower nature altar. So, for that effect, we have Wisteria. And Wisteria is very much a Fae flower. It speaks of whimsy and fairy tale and beauty. However, Wisteria is incredibly strong. It has this vine which can break buildings, basically, if it goes unchecked. And it speaks of there being more than just this outer beauty, which is very Fae. They're very beautiful on the surface, but they can be tricksy, they can be unkind, they can be full-on malefarious, I guess. And it's just that sort of bewitchment of the sense, something slightly outside the realm of perception. I included a little crow feather. Everything's wildcrafted, by the way, by me. And the crows have this interconnectedness with Fae through the Morrigan, through the Celtic myth being sort of rendered into the realm of the Fae by the Christianization of the myth. But more than that, the crow sees time, in terms of the symbolism of crow totem energy, sees time all at once. They see past, present and future all at once, and they can see the future and see the past, and it's much more of a circular energy than one straight line. And that's again perception and being able to see things in a different way. The thorn at the centre to pierce the veil, and it's one of the 3 fairy trees, and as is the berries also hold thorn, and creates again your circles within circles. So Bewitchment is lovely, I really like it. It has this naughtiness, this sensuality to it. That it's not hidden danger of Fae, but it's kind of the warning not to take things too frivolously, to treat nature and the Fae with an element of respect. And that is kind of encaptured by the fact there is a thorn at the very centre, because thorns can pierce you, they can hurt you if you're not careful, or you can see it as steps on the ladder, ways to open the doors to the other world if you are worthy. And that kind of resounds within the energy of this particular Fae Flower Nature altar. So I just love it. I love it. It will be on store soon. Many blessings.